Loose Women star Coleen Nolan was forced to snub the show's festive get-together following a health scare from a severe chest infection. Coleen Nolan has shared her upset over missing the festive Loose Women Christmas bash that took place on Tuesday night. The TV panelist missed out on celebrating with her colleagues at the Christmas party after revealing she recently suffered a health scare and has given up smoking as a result. Several of the ITV daytime show's hosts, including Brenda Edwards and Denise Welch, looked their festive finest as they posed for snaps which showed them enjoying the bash. Loose Women's Linda Robson captioned the image, which was posted to her 173,000 Instagram followers. "Great night at our Loose Women Christmas party. What a wonderful team we have. Have a wonderful Christmas. Love, Nanny Linda 4X." In the comments, Coleen, 58, wrote, "Gutted I missed it. Looks like you all had a blast." Dame Kelly Holmes, a panel regular, shared the sentiment, adding, "Sad to have missed this XX, hope you had a fab night." Coleen's absence followed her recent news that she's quit smoking after a recent health scare following a severe chest infection. The star took to her Instagram page to share the news with her 346,000 followers. In a short clip, the 58-year-old said, "Guys, I have big news, big life-changing news for me. For those who know me, I have been a heavy smoker and I've tried everything over the years. The patches, vaping, tablets, everything, and nothing's kind of worked. However, just recently I got really ill with a severe chest infection. Could not breathe genuinely for a good few days, was struggling to breathe, went to a specialist," she explained. "He was talking about COPD emphysema, and guess what? Light bulb moment. What are you doing, Coleen? And since that day 2 weeks ago, I haven't had a cigarette. And guess what? I don't want one. I don't want to smoke because life is too precious." On Wednesday's, December 21, installment of the show, she also told the panel, "I have got some big news. It kind of is important for you lot, because you've been putting up with me for years. I've finally, hopefully, quit the smoking habit." Her confession earned a round of applause from the live audience and her fellow panelists, including Stacey Solomon and Christine Lampard, as they cheered in solidarity.